In 2015, the police in Samoa have charged an associate minister for the Ministry of the Prime Minister and Cabinet, Peseta Vaifou Tevaga, with 1 count of forgery and 1 of falsifying documents. Peseta was arrested and charged, but police have refused to release any information on the case. The police and the Attorney General carried out the investigations. The decision by an associate minister accused of forgery and fraud to leave the country in the middle of the hearing of allegations against him has angered Justice Mata Tuatagaloa. The associate minister of the Ministry of the Prime Minister, Peseta Vaifou Tevaga, who has pleaded not guilty to the allegations brought against him by business associates, including another senior H.R.P.P. member, is accompanying Prime Minister Tuilaepa Malielegaoi to Tuvalu, as Peseta Vaifou walked out of the court on the 3rd day of the hearing. It was then he advised his lawyer that he had received an urgent call from the Prime Minister to accompany him to Tuvalu. Justice Tuatagaloa was not impressed. She was concerned about how members of the public would perceive such a situation. The defendant should have never left the country without an application before the court, said Justice Tuatagaloa. It doesn't make him look good. He is a politician, this is the judiciary, this is the justice system. And for something like that to have happened, what does that make us look like? That politicians are above the law? But the judge reminded the lawyer that she was missing the point. Mrs. Woodruff, I take what you are saying, but look at this, said Tuatagaloa. What is the public going to say? Prosecutor and acting director of the National Prosecution Office, Muriel Lee, also shared her concerns about Peseta's absence. She raised the issue of the associate minister's bail condition, explaining that she does not have it with her because she did not anticipate it. She suggested his decision to leave the country might be a breach of his bail condition. You are correct, Your Honor. It is implied for politicians that there is a disregard of the law and justice, said Ms. Lee. We have an objection to this, that he can just leave the jurisdiction, especially when his trial is not finished. The plaintiffs are shareholders of a company called Local Partners and Associate Limited. Peseta's son, Liataua Danny, was also a shareholder of the company. The complainants claim Peseta had forged the signature of Mr. Schwalger in order to transfer shares from his son, Danny, to his name.